Area. What is area? How can you find area? Area is a space an object can take up within boundaries. How can you find it? Multiplying length and width or counting the boxes within a coordinate plan.
Area example 1, 5 times 3 is 15 feet squared.
Area example 2, 8 times 3 feet is 24 feet squared.
Example 3 is counting the boxes, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes, so it's 12 units.
Again, all you need to do is count inside the box. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes.
It's more than 6 boxes.
9 boxes.
A real world example could be a sign, which would just be like 4 by 3, 12 feet squared.
My name's Connor. This is area. Area is multiplying the height and the width to find the total amount of units able to fit inside of a shape. A key part to finding area is multiplication, and is used in every equation. If you're finding the area of a square, it's possible to square one side to get the area. Counting boxes. Look inside the rectangle and count the boxes on the coordinate plane to get the area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the area would be 6.
Hi, I'm Abby. Formula is A equals LW. A equals area, L equals length, and W equals width. An example of a real world problem is a girl named Sally went to go get some ice cream from an ice cream truck. And when she saw the truck, she thought it was enormous. She saw the length of the truck was 5 feet and the width was 7 feet. What is the area of the ice cream truck?
Another example is a girl named Sally went to go get some ice cream from